Hello and welcome from your host for the day, Shiboni Pais, to another exciting and informative episode of TV Daijivan.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. 4 Carmelite brothers ordained priest at Infant Jesus Church at Pikarnakatte. Revenue authorities launched drive to provide photo identity cards to voters. Ornament lovers make beeline for jewellery on Akshaya Tritiya. And in our entertainment section, we have super hit Kannada song Anisutide Yako Indu, Hindi patriotic number Jis Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai, and a dance from Esther Knight. News in detail. Monday, May 6th was a day to rejoice for the Carmelite congregation of Karnataka Goa province as 4 brothers were ordained priests at Infant Jesus Shrine at Pikarnakatte. The ordination ceremony of the Carmelite deacons was held at the Carmel Hill on Tuesday, May 6th evening.
पवित्र सभे के तंकन से ते बेटे ताते पवित्र सभे जेमी साव तंचा सेवे मुकांदरे मुंदो वर्ता या तंचा जिनियाचा वर त्यादिसा तंका आमी उल्लास पटेतना आमी तंचा बसोत मागिया तंचे ये तंचा जिनियाचा वर तंगडीत तानी खाटचे Woodland, Devataran, Texans, Urban Jogu, Devata Dundi, Carmel Mai, Protector, Tanjasana Darawa, Tanka, Devati, Japuta Jesu Besama, so Dimunayami Sanjabara, Protector, Tanjapos, Magia.
Right Reverend Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza officiated and ordained the deacons, Canute Tauro of Hospate, Arvind Tauro of Belwai, Suresh Saldana of Womanjur, and Roshan D'Souza of Fajir. Later, the bishop celebrated the Holy Eucharist with the newly ordained priest. Father Victor Machado, rector of St. Joseph Seminary, Jeppu, was the chief guest during the stage program, which was held after the Eucharistic celebration. Also present were Father Dominic Vas and Father Patrick Lobo. Father Archie Gonsalves introduced the newly ordained priest. Father John Sequeira compared the program. The revenue authorities have launched drive to provide photo identity cards to the voters. But the launching of the drive faced birth pangs as ID cards aspirants went berserk at places owing to certain technical snags. People went berserk in certain places after they found certain irregularities with the issuance of voters' ID card. At Jappinamogaru, people were told to come to the place at 8 a.m. But though the people arrived, photographers did not arrive. People waited for some time. When there was no solution seen, they went berserk. It was only after almost an hour later that the photographers arrived and finally began their work. People had come in large number and most of them had to wait for long on queue. Some of them who had come early thinking that they would proceed to their work after clicking their photo were disappointed owing to the delay.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಧಾರಣ 9:45 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
However, after the initial birth pangs, the drive sailed smoothly with no untoward incidents being reported anywhere. Tuesday, May 7th is observed as Akshaya Tritiya all over. It falls on the third day of the bright half of the lunar month of Vaishakha of the traditional Hindu calendar, is one of the 4 most auspicious days of the year for the Hindus. The word Akshaya, a Sanskrit word, literally means one that never diminishes, and the day is believed to bring good luck and success. People made beeline for buying gold on Wednesday across the city. We have an exclusive feature for you on this auspicious day.
Known as Akatij in North India, Akshaya Tritiya is the third day in the bright half of the month of Vaishakha and marks the beginning of the Treta Yuga. The sun and the moon are said to be at their brightest on this day. Akshaya Tritiya, true to our rich Hindu tradition, is an auspicious day to invite Goddess Lakshmi into our homes and take her blessings for everlasting wealth and prosperity. Though Akshaya Tritiya is auspicious in Hindu calendar, a large number of Muslims as well as Christians mark this festival of luck and wealth buying gold ornaments in the jewel shop on this day. The jewelers have ventured into different schemes to attract the buyers. People were given an opportunity to book in advance, making it convenient to the customers on this day. As it is ideal day for starting new ventures, people are also going for new investments, be it fixed deposits in banks, post office saving and insurance policies, etc. Akshaya Tritiya is proving big time profitable for jewel businessmen at large.
That's what we had for you buffs in our news section today. Now it is time for us to start our entertainment section of the day. Today we have some superb music in store for you, but before that we shall take a short break.
and Apurva for apt life.
Blessing and honor, glory and power be unto the Ancient of Days. From every nation, all of creation, bow before the Ancient of Days.
Inland Builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Maryhill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.